So this is the Minecraft 3 challenge from Hack the Web. So the description for the challenge says, "It's so dark here, could you turn on the light? Haha, I've got a little surprise. This redstone lamp has 7 switches and there's only one combination that makes the lamp light up. That should keep you busy for a while. I'll be back once you've found the right combination." So what we have here is we've got a little web application with a bunch of switches. With a bunch of switches over here, what we want to do is we want to activate the lamp up here by flipping the switches. So down here in the instructions it says tap the switches and make the redstone lamp at the top center light up. And we've got a little tab here called Redstone Mini Guide. So before we get started, let's talk about what's going on. So this is Hack the Web Minecraft 3. In this challenge, we're asked to flip switches to make a Minecraft redstone lamp light up. So we need to flip the switches to make the Minecraft redstone lamp light up, and we've got the application over here. So what we're actually doing is, if we click on the Redstone Mini Guide tab, we learn that the switches at the bottom of the screen can be used as an AND gate. So AND gate means it's a type of logic gate that is used in computing. It says here a redstone torch is on when the adjacent block is not powered. As soon as the block is powered, the torch turns off. With 3 torches and some blocks, you can build an AND gate. The middle torch only lights up when both inputs are on. With this knowledge, you can trace the circuit back step by step and figure out the correct switch combination. So what we need to do is we need to flip the 2 switches in the AND gate, and it activates the torch at the next layer up. So if we flip the 2 switches here, these torches go out, but the torch at the next layer up, it switches on. Okay, once we've activated all of the AND gates, the redstone lamp lights up and we can obtain the answer. So let's go ahead and do that. So back at the application here, can we make this bigger? Bigger. That's about as big as we can get it. Okay, so we see here, these two torches are lit up. What we need to do is we need to deactivate both of these torches to make the one at the next layer light up. This acts as a kind of like an AND gate. So we need to deactivate this and then deactivate this, which activates this one. Okay, and we'll do the same thing on these other layers here. So if we deactivate this one and this one, then this one will activate here, this one and this one. Okay, and if we activate this one here, then this one will activate here. So we do that. Okay, and that solves the puzzle, because these 2 AND gates are now activated, which lights up the redstone lamp. So if we click on Open Answer, then it says the answer is logic gate. So this was an example of us using logic gates, specifically the AND logic gate. So let's go ahead and solve the puzzle, or solve the challenge, by going down here and typing in logic gate. Go. Logic gate is correct. All right, so let's go ahead and finish this up. All right, everybody, that was a guided walkthrough for the Minecraft 3 challenge from Hack the Web. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment underneath the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.